Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'll be guiding you through a quick and a simple step on how to log out of your Yidio account. So let's go ahead and jump in straight into the video. Launch open a web browser and make sure that you're inside this main home page for Yidio. If you're logged in and you'd like to log out or sign out of your account, all you need to do is to go ahead and mouse over to this My Account tab. And this will open up several options in the pop-up. To log out of your account, click on the Sign Out button. But before proceeding to log in out of your account, make sure that you have your correct credentials with you, since you'll need them while you're trying to log in back again to Yidio. Simply click the Sign Out button if you are willing to sign out of the platform, and with a click of a button, you will be redirected to the main home page, and that means you have been logged out. So that is how you can easily log out or sign out of Yidio.com. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.